Good morning, Eagles. It's Keroy here. How is everybody doing? I hope you're well. And today I wanted to read for you Standing for All. As you stand alone, you are standing for all. Through life's entanglements, love to self is love for all. Never underestimate the power of your seemingly small acts of kindness as you reach out for your helping hand to uplift another. You have created ripples of kindness for many. Love your neighbors yourself. Love yourself as much as God loves you. For you are me, and I am you. We are all things, yet attached to none. Let the transformation of this season deal with us gently. Lean into the flow of grace, and grace will lead you safely to greener pastures. Oh, wow! Standing for all. This poem reminds me of um, remembering that everything we do affects other people too because of our entanglements and interconnectivity and that idea that we are all one in a bigger scheme of things. It's hard to believe when you look around, but we are all one. So what you do for yourself, you're indirectly doing it for another. That's why it's very necessary to treat yourself well, to treat the people around you well, neighbors and friends well, family well, because in that process the ripple effect is going through, you know. If you mistreat yourself, having negative talk, doing negative things to yourself, you're indirectly affecting others around you. You know it's hard to treat others well if you mistreat yourself. So let this poem encourage you as you stand for yourself. You're standing for all. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.